Hi, good evening, guys. I am starting a new blog about our new addition to our family. Tomorrow morning, I am picking up our new puppy, our very first family puppy. I flew here tonight in Spokane, Washington State, and behind me is the Spokane International Airport. So supposedly tomorrow afternoon after lunch, I am meeting our puppy. She is a mini Aussie Doodle. This is my very first dog in my life, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna take care of this puppy at the very first time, especially flying from Spokane, Washington to San Diego, California. I flew all the way from home, San Diego, to meet and get our very own puppy. This will be a surprise for the family, but you can see this is the international airport behind me. And then tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon perhaps, is when I meet our puppy. So stand by, guys. Just follow my blog about my mini Aussie Doodle, and see and watch how she grows on YouTube. I'll be posting our blog, her adventures, our family adventures, and experience having a new puppy. So stand by. Please like and subscribe to the M12 Family channel. Hi, we are an hour away from meeting Mochi. Just hanging out here in the lobby and just waiting until the time comes. So stand by. Let's see how she looks. Hello guys, we are an hour away from meeting Mochi for the first time. I'm super excited and can't wait to take her home and show the kids. I'm sure kids would love it. So stand by. Hello guys, we are minutes away from meeting Mochi. I'm nervous, excited. I don't know how I should feel, but looking forward to meeting Mochi for the very first time. So she'll be here in a few minutes. I just picked up Mochi from the breeder. We had a nice exchange. She said her goodbye to her mommy, and now Mochi is with me. Hello guys, this is Mochi. Hi Mochi. Say hi. I know you're tired, but I just got Mochi and we are on the way home. There she is. She is tired. She is exhausted. I don't know why. Yes. Chillaxing here at the airport. So here's our little Mochi. There she is. We are about to board in 2 hours. I'm just gonna let her nap a little bit. And then a few minutes later, I will have her play in the pet relief area, and then hopefully it'll be a split ride to San Diego and we take her home. So exciting. Here we go.